Hello friends, this is Chandrabhan Patel, and in this video we are going to create a MATLAB program for the generation of unit impulse, unit step and the ramp function. To generate any function, first we need a time axis. So here I am taking a time axis t from -1 to +1 by a step size of 0.01, and we are taking a transpose of row vector to convert it into a column vector. To generate an impulse function, but we will take a impulse variable, and the impulse function will be equal to 1 if t is equal to 0, otherwise all value will be 0. Only at t equal to 0 we will get a pulse, so that is our impulse function, and we can plot it and verify. Okay, so let's plot it. Okay, let's run the program, and here we can see the impulse has been generated at t equal to 0, means when time is 0 we are getting a maximum value, that is the 1. Okay, if I change that to t equal to 0 to t equal to 0.5, so it's mean that we will get a impulse at 0.5. Okay, and we can verify we are getting x-axis as 0.5, that is the time axis, and y-axis is 1, that is our impulse amplitude. Now we will see how we can generate the step function. So it is very easy step to generate the unit step function. Okay, first I will create a variable unit step, and the value of unit step will be 1 if t is greater than or equal to 0. We can verify that unit step function by plotting it. Here we can see the unit step function has been generated. Okay, so we can verify the value. So this is our unit step. And then next we will generate the unit ramp function. So I think we all know the definition of unit ramp function. Okay, the definition of ramp function says that the ramp function will be equal to t if t is greater than 0, otherwise the value of ramp function will be 0. Let's plot that ramp function and you can see. Okay, here we can see the ramp function has been generated, and you can check the all values. And in the last we can plot all these three functions in a one figure by using this simple command. Okay, let's see.